Hello and what is up everyone, Norman from Future Student University here. What you see here is a blog post we wrote more than 3 years ago on custom fonts on Android. Custom fonts are an excellent way of customizing design of your app, making it special, making it stand out from the mass of apps on the Play Store. And back then, so 3 years ago, we wrote a very extensive series with multiple blog post talking about a lot of different things on how you can customize the design in your app. And since then a lot of things happened, so we have renewed the series with up-to-date modern standards. So let's get into it. In this video I want to look at how you can add custom fonts to your app the modern way, the 2018 way. For the purpose of this video, we will use Node.js as a font. Of course, you can choose any other custom font, just for demonstration purposes. So what we're going to use is this little app we're developing right now for extensive learning path. And right now it only has a very simple recycler view with the standard fonts, with the default fonts. Doesn't look very exciting, so let's add Node.js to this view. And the way you do it nowadays is you add it as a resource. So previously you had to add it to the assets and then load the files, but it actually is a little bit easier now. So what you do is you go to your resources, so this is a regular app project, and you add a new folder called fonts. So let me see if that is suggested here. Yeah, it is suggested here if you have a fairly new Android Studio version. The standard settings are all right. And now you have a font folder here. And yet now you can just simply paste in the TTF files, the raw TTF files into this folder. Alright, I have pasted them in here, and as you can see, Android Studio detects the 4 font files. And now we can access these font files directly via the Android resource system. So let me give you an example. Let's jump into the XML. We're going to go into the recycler view item. And we're going to jump to the text since it's a little bit faster. And what you can do now is you can add a font family property. So you can say Android font family, and now you can reference the font resource we have just added. So for example, of course I have to type it right, that this text view should have the Node.js regular font. And let's just add another one. Maybe the second one should be let's use a bold one for that one. And if we update the view, we should have directly our custom fonts in the view. Alright, and as you can see, the fonts changed for the header and also for this text view. It went from the standard Roboto to the new custom Node.js font. So it's super simple. It really just is you create a new resource folder with the name font, you add your TTF files, and then you can reference them via the font family and add font Android resource. Now, this has a disadvantage, and you always have to be very specific which exact font you want. Do you want the bold one? Do you want the regular one? And the nice regular text style property. So this one doesn't work anymore because you have to specify which exact font you want. Now, there's a way to use the regular font family, so to say, we don't want Node.js bold, we want Node.js, and then change via the text style property which one exactly you want. So this is something we will look in an upcoming video. We will also look at how you can access a new font resource via Java code. And lastly, we will look at downloadable fonts. So if you don't want to bundle the TTF files with your app to make it smaller, that is a way. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.